Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willie. I'm here to do your facts with you this morning. We're going to go ahead and we're going to work on 128B. So make sure you have the same side as Miss Willie, the B side. And the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and put your name at the top. And then we're going to go ahead and we're get ready to identify the problems that are difference of 2. We're going to do that first. Remember, that's going to help us with our fluency. So once your name is at the top, give me a thumbs up. And we're going to go through and we're going to figure out which ones are difference of 2. Are we ready? Okay, let's go ahead and let's look at that first row. Which of those problems is the difference of 2? 10 minus 8. That is a difference of 2, so we're going to circle it. What about 7 minus 2? Nope. What about 5 minus 4? No, that's a difference of 1. 10 minus 2? No. 8 minus 6? That is a difference of 2, so go ahead and circle it. 6 minus 5? That's a difference of 1. 5 minus 1? Nope. 9 minus 7, is that a difference of 2? It is. Go ahead and circle it. 3 minus 2? Nope. 8 minus 1? Nope. 4 minus 3? Nope, that's a difference of 1. What about 7 minus 5? That is a difference of 2, so go ahead and circle it. 6 minus 0? That's not a difference of 2. 8 minus 7? That's a difference of 1 problem. What about 4 minus 2? That is. Go ahead and circle it. 10 minus 7? No. 5 minus 3? It is. Good job. 9 minus 8? Nope. 6 minus 4? It is. Difference of 2. And the last one, 7 minus 6. That's a difference of 1. You're right. So now Miss Willie's going to set her timer on her phone. Your job is to go ahead and to start filling out those answers. And remember, if you finish in the 2-minute time frame, your job as a learner is to go back through and double check and make sure you didn't make any simple errors. Are you ready? Time begins now. About halfway done, guys. Ten seconds. Okay, boys and girls, there's my chimes on my phone. It's super quiet, but go ahead and stop. Remember, this is the chance when we're going to go through and we're going to double check our work. So what Miss Willie is going to do is I'm going to have you fill in. If you got it correct, you're going to give yourself a dot. If you got it incorrect, cross it out and write the correct answer. And if you didn't get to answer all of them, go ahead and fill them in as we do it together. Are you ready? 10 minus 8. We had that circle. That's a difference of 2, so we know the answer is 2. 7 minus 2. 5. You're right. Miss Willie's marker's not wanting to work. I'm going to get a different one real fast. Different marker. That one needs to go in the trash. Here, I'll use the purple. So 7 minus 2 is 5, boys and girls. 5 minus 4. That's a difference of 1. 10 minus 2, 8. And 8 minus 6, difference of 2. We circled it. The answer's 2. 6 minus 5. That's a difference of 1. They're 1 away on the number line. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 2. That's a difference of 2. We circled it. That's 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Good job, guys. Keep it up. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. We circled it. That's a difference of 2. 6 minus 0. Remember, any number minus a 0 is the number itself. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 2. Difference of 2. Fill in that 2. 10 minus 7. That's a tricky one. 10, and you take 7 away. The difference is 3. 5 minus 3. Oh, difference of 2. 9 minus 8. They're only 1 away on the number line, so we know the answer is 1. 6 minus 4. Difference of 2. And the last one, 7 minus 6. Right next to each other on the number line, we know the difference is 1. How'd you do? Did you guys do good today? Remember, our goal is to do all 20 in 2 minutes. Work really hard on that. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. Write your right number up at the total, at the top of how many you got right, okay? Have a great day.
Hello, my friends. It's Miss Pingle, and I'm back on Monday, May 4th, 2020, to complete the Math Strategies paper. As always, please use your best handwriting and write your name on the top. You may use crayon, marker, or pencil, whichever you choose, but please remember to write your first and last name the very best you can. I chose blue today, but you know my favorite 2 colors are green and yellow. Let's begin. Number 1, circle all the numbers that are between 50 and 75. So we have to make sure that the numbers are greater or larger than 50 and less than or smaller than 75. Is 78 smaller than 75? No, it cannot go in between. It's too big. Can 43 go in between? Nope, too small. Cross it off. What about 61? You're right. It's greater than 50 and less than 75. 58 is the same. 2 crossed off and 2 are circled. 82? Nope, too big. 71? You got it, just right. Number 2, on Mrs. York's lunch graph, 9 children put their tags in the lunch from home row. 6 children put their tags in the school lunch row. Draw the tags on the lunch graph. Now, as you see on this paper, my graph did not copy, so I'm just going to try my best and estimate or make a smart choice of where I think the boxes are on the graph. You can do it completely correct on your graph paper. Here we go. Lunch from home. Lunch from home, there were 9 children. So I'm going to write 9 inside the box. And the school lunch, that was a spelling word, had 6 children. So I'm going to switch colors so we can easily identify the 2 different options. And I'm going to try to line up both under each other so we can identify a little bit easier. School lunch, I'll make red as well. 2 questions. How many more children eat lunch from home than at school? Well, we know they both have 6 that are the same, but there's 1, 2, 3 extra or 3 more children that have lunch from home. So I'm going to put 3 children. And how many tags are on the graph? So in total, we need to add 9 plus 6. This is a tricky one. You can count all. You can start at 9 and count on 6. You can pretend the 9 is a 10. Like, oh, 10 plus 6 is 16. But 9 is only 1 away from 10, so I need to subtract 1. However you choose, the strategy should add up. 9 plus 6 is 15. There are 15 tags all together. Let's continue on to money, money, money in my pocket, money, money. I know how to count it. This is the coin called a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Now again, we did not get to do the full money lesson, but we can do 25 for the first quarter, and then 25 more makes 50. And then 25 more makes 75. This is 75 cents. Now don't worry, in first grade, your first grade teachers will teach you the entire lesson and they'll get you really ready to count money. And number 4 says color the thermometer to show 50 degrees. Now again, we did not get to teach you the full lesson on temperature. But if you can find 50, you just draw a line and then you can color it, or to save time, I'm just going to draw a squiggly line kind of back and forth there. Now you may go back and color it, but to save time and to help you through the rest of the learning, I'm going to stop now. Let's continue. Number 5. Sharon wrote a 2-digit number on a piece of paper. She gave the children the following clues to help them guess her secret number. Sharon said, "The digits I use are 7 and 9. Write the 2 possible numbers, 7 and 9. Well, the 7 can come first, and then the 9 for 7 groups of 10 and 9 extra ones. Or you can flip them and do 97, because the 9 comes first. And then Sharon said, "The number is between 75 and 95. Has to be larger than 75, but smaller than 95. Circle Sharon's secret number. Do you think you know what it is? If you guessed 79, you would be correct. 97 is too big, so we can cross it off to make sure that we did check it. And lastly, we're going to find the answers to some equation and math facts. 28 minus 10 is 18. Remember, you can also use a 100s chart to help you. 8 plus 2 plus 6. You may pick any two numbers to begin adding first. I know ways to make 10, so I'm going to do 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 6 more makes 16. Now, could you have also done a 2 plus 6 is 8? And then you can do a double, 8. Oh, my 8s aren't working out very well, sorry. 8 plus 8, absolutely. Or you could even challenge yourself and do those two hard ones with 8 and 6, oddballs, and then the plus 2. Completely up to you. Different friends have different needs, so however you can complete it correct, that is the way I want you to do it. Mathematicians find the fastest, smartest way to complete the work. And lastly, let's subtract double-digit subtraction. All right, first, we're going to start with the ones, or the group of pennies. 9 minus 7. Difference of 2 because they're 2 away in the number line. And then I'm going to go over to the groups of tens, or the dimes. 2 minus 1. 1. Therefore, 29 cents minus 17 cents equals 12 cents. Last one for the day and we're done. 35 cents minus 15 cents. First, I'm going to subtract the pennies, or the groups of 1. 5 minus 5. Subtract a double, always equals 0. And then I'm moving over to the groups of dimes, or groups of 10. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, my answer is 20 cents. Congratulations, my friends, you have completed another day of math learning. Give yourself a big superstar cheer round of applause. Woo, 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 woo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you back tomorrow for another day of math learning. Have a great rest of your marvelous Monday and do something kind for someone.